Imagine this. You're staring at a cluttered desk, a kitchen drawer full of random stuff, and you think, none of this is useful. But what if I told you that hidden in plain sight are secret superpowers just waiting to be unleashed? Today, I'm sharing 7 genius hacks using everyday items you already own. Trust me, you'll never see your home the same way again. Let's kick things off with the humble rubber band. Sure, it holds things together, but did you know you can use it to open stubborn jars? Just wrap a rubber band around the lid and suddenly you've got grip like a superhero. No more asking for help with that pickle jar. Second, let's talk about lemons. Yes, they're great in drinks, but try rubbing a slice on your cutting board to get rid of lingering smells, like onion or garlic. The acidity naturally breaks down odors, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh. Number 3, the mighty paperclip. It's not just for holding papers. Ever drop your phone charger behind your desk? Bend a paperclip into a little hook and you've got an instant cable catcher. No more crawling on the floor. Fourth, toothpaste. It's for teeth, obviously. But did you know it can polish up cloudy headlights or even remove scuffs from sneakers? Just a dab, a soft cloth, and a little elbow grease and you're good as new. Hack number 5, coffee filters. They're not just for making your morning brew. Use them to clean screens on your phone or laptop. They're lint-free and gentle, so you won't scratch anything. 6th, binder clips. These things are office legends, but clip one to the edge of your desk and suddenly you've got a perfect phone stand for video calls or binge watching. Who needs fancy gadgets? And finally, vinegar. It's not just for salads. Mix it with water, and you've got a powerful, non-toxic cleaner for windows, mirrors, and even your microwave. Just heat a bowl of vinegar water in the microwave for a minute, and the steam loosens up grime so you can wipe it away in seconds. See? Everyday items. Extraordinary uses. Next time you look around your home, remember, genius isn't about having more stuff. It's about seeing what you already have in a whole new way. Try these out and let me know which one blew your mind the most. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more clever hacks you'll wish you knew sooner.